Welcome to this course called Communicating Across the World. What we will be doing is looking at how to send an email using Outlook Mail for Windows 10. The objective of the course will be looking at how to compose an Outlook email for Windows 10. I know for a lot of people who have upgraded to Windows 10, they've found the changes a little bit challenging, to say the least. And so this short course will hopefully simplify some of the issues that people are having in terms of looking and understanding how their email has changed. In this part of the course, we're going to look at how to send an email in Outlook. Now, before we do that, I want to just go through the screen that you see in front of you and explain some of the features that you're seeing. So we'll start up here. This is the collapse button. So I just click on that and it will collapse my menu bar. I click on it and it will bring it back. This is the new mail button, which we'll look at in a minute. Over here are the accounts that I'm linked to. So over here, it's showing my email address. When you do this at home, you're going to have your email showing here. And you can link inboxes as well as add another account if you have a Gmail account or any other account you wanted to add. Right, over here now on the folders, these are all my folders that I have. And this is my inbox folder, so it shows over here on this screen. When I click on each email, it will bring up the body of that email on the screen next to it. Alright, so what we're going to do now is we're going to compose a very simple email. So we're going to go to the new mail button. We're going to click that and you can see this screen will appear. It will have from and it has my email. When you do this, it will have your email showing. To, you would type in the email that you want to send the message, the email that you want to send the message to. Over here you have the option to carbon copy or blind copy. So when I click on that, carbon copy simply means that I'm going to send a copy of my email to whoever I put in here. Blind carbon copy or BCC means that I'm going to send a copy of this email to another recipient, but the original person who it's been sent to will not be able to see that I've sent a copy to this person, to the BCC person. In subject, I'm just going to type in how to send an email. And over here is the body of the email. And I'm just highlighting this because I don't need that. So I'm just going to delete it. And what I'll do is paste in just an email that I had and finish typing it up. And if I wanted to make any edits to my font, I can just select whichever area of my text I wanted to make the edits to, and I can make my changes here. I can change the type of font. I'll just put stencil so you can see if I wanted to change the size, make it smaller or larger, as well as highlights or change the font color, and then if I wanted to clear any formatting. So there's a number of things that you can do to kind of make your email a little bit more interesting with these features. You have your undo button over here, so if you wanted to undo anything that you've done, you can do that. If for some reason you decide you don't need to send your email, this is the discard button, and you would just select that and your email just gets discarded. You don't keep it. It will ask if you want to save a draft, and over here you can see the drafts folder. So if you wanted to keep it as a draft, it would just save it in this folder and you can come back to it later at a later date and be able to work on it and then send it. And right over here is the send button. So you would just select that and your mail is going to be sent. So I'm just going to type in an email address here and hit send, and there we go. It's been sent off to the email that I had listed. And that's it for this section of the course. So thanks a lot for listening.